Hey everyone, welcome to Venture Point Investing. I'm Dan. On this channel, I share my day trading journey, looking at different shares, breaking down when and why to buy, and sharing practical tips on growing your wealth and investing wisely, drawing on my background as a CFO. Now in today's video, we're diving into live day trading. I'll take you through the trades I made in real time, explain my thought process as the market moved, and show you how I managed risk along the way. Hopefully this gives you some useful insights you can apply to your own trading, or at least helps you see how a strategy plays out in a live market environment. So stick around and let's get into it. Okay, doing a live day trading session. We've broken that up. I think what's going to happen here now is a retracement. All right.
Order submitted.
Just place this there. Another area I could go to. So that's there. Okay, so high, low, high, low, high, high. Looking for a retracement from that high to that low. And then I guess we'll see how high up this is willing to go. Just see on this, take that off there, 5 seconds. Look at that candle there, boom. So as we have the 20-day moving average above the 200-day moving average, I am still looking for longs. Just see what else could have maybe happened here. Is this there? Nope. 8 to 9. Okay, let's see. Let's see what happens here. This could actually spell trouble. Let's see. So I'm trading NQ September, so that's what we're using with NinjaTrader. Yeah, I think what I will do is with my minis, I might do it on, well, with my performance account, I might just trade on minis. Let's see, duplicate a new tab, and micros, MNQ. Probably use this one for like the performance, for my performance account. Okay, let's see where this goes. Wait, technically this is a quick, it's taking that out there. Let's put 2 of these here. So,
Order submitted.
oh, come on. Usually that would have been a quick pullback and go down. Okay. It didn't take it. This looks very dangerous, just trying to catch something in the middle of nowhere.
Order cancelled.
Just have to wait. That is the main thing, just the waiting's the main thing. I mean, what else could be going on here? That's already hit there. Just gotta wait, just gotta sit and just gotta wait. Okay, let's see. I mean, to be fair, what I also could do is I could just not have anything and wait for a clear sign that it's changing on the right. That'd probably be the prudent thing to do. But let's just go with this for now. Come on. Oh yeah, here we go. Getting ever and ever closer to that. This could be seriously dangerous if...
Order filled.
Yep, okay. This is not good.
Order filled.
I don't like how that's bouncing. I closed it for a bit of profit, but I don't like how it's going there. Maybe I'm wrong. Okay. Yeah. Don't like the way that's going. I'm gonna have to wait for a better point. Okay, is that something there?
Order submitted.
Just put a quick 100 there, 50.
Order filled.
See.
Target
Boom.
filled.
Okay, nice. A nice little 5-pointer there. So we had a low, a high, a lower low, and a higher high. I went to the retracement of the 50% there. Just took a nice quick 5-pointer off of there. So this is something that DTFX actually teaches. I know he's got a lot of other stuff lately, but I just went on his original playlist. I've been kind of using that to go. Seems to be doing quite well. Main thing is just wait. I know it seems hard, but you just gotta wait. I know it's just so very boring to watch, but you know, this is just it. You gotta wait. I mean, just by those moves we've made today, it didn't seem like much, but it's already like $435. I mean, so you know, that's not even that bad itself. You can see how, you know, someone could get $1,000 easily in a day if they just wait their turn. It's not so much about always being in a trade, and that's a mistake I used to make a lot of in the beginning. I always had to be in a trade, always had to chase something, always felt I had to be somewhere. Where sometimes it's just better to just wait and see. Okay. Okay. So if I just stuck to my guns there, what did that go up to? Sure. Wow, that was... Well, okay. Crazy. I'm a bit nervous of the green being below the 200 the whole day. That's not that positive. Usually 9:30 can either confirm the trend or reset the direction. So, I mean, let's just look at a higher time frame. So we have So we did sweep this liquidity from earlier in the month, from last month. So you could argue that this would go higher. One above, one below. Okay. Let's see where this goes. That looks like a little break there.
Order submitted.
Let's see if this works. So low, high, lower, low, 50% range retracement. If it comes in, hoping for a 5-pointer there. Okay, so we've got a low, we've got a high, low, low. If this comes above this here, I'd be looking for a trade as well. So that's okay. Okay. It hasn't gone there yet. Okay. So that's now taking that out. Let's put a buy limit here.
Order submitted.
3 contracts.
Order cancelled.
So low, high, low, low, high, high. Hoping this comes to hit here and then to bounce off. We shall see. Looks like it also just did a 50% retracement into this little S&D here. That's okay, that's not what I'm trying to chase. Let's take that one out. Keep the chart clean. Just gonna remove that. Keep it cleaner. Let's see. See what happens now. This is the unsexy side of day trading. Just gotta watch and watch and watch. Okay, if you like this down, we might get a bite here. Let's see. It's like when it comes down, you get nervous, like, ah! But it needs to come down if it's going to bring you into the trade. Let's see. Let's see what's going on here. Let's see what's going on here. Hello, hi, hello, hi, hi. Let's see.
Order filled.
Come on. Oh man, come on, give me a nice bounce up. This doesn't look. No.
Stop filled.
Damn. Ah, oh well. Not great. Not what I was looking for. Okay, so that's the one trade loss of the day. Should have picked a lower point like this, yeah. Probably needed to be a bit more clinical. Oh well, damn it, man. Okay. Hello, high, low. There's another little point here. Today my eye on. high, low, high, high.
Order submitted.
So close. Didn't tap it in. Okay. Maybe still time. No. I think this one's going higher.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Okay. Unfortunately, that's it. Those are my two losses for the day. End on $265 down. Not great, but it's okay. It is what it is. Yeah. I'll try again tomorrow. All right, thanks, guys. Come on, you son of a bitch. Come on. Into me. Take your profit. Ugh.
Order filled. Target filled. Target filled.
Sometimes it's worth staying in. I know I should stop after 2 trades, but coming back for a bit more was definitely worth it this time. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. As you saw, I went back in later after a short break and managed to close out a $540 trade, which helped offset the earlier $265 loss. So overall, the day finished positive. If you enjoy this kind of content, please like and hit subscribe. I'll be posting more live trading sessions, and I'm also planning some videos where I'll break down specific stocks and shares I'm looking at. Lots more to come, so stick around. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next one.